Aubergines and carrots is not the combination I would normally use, but I've tried it the other day. It was great. All measurements here are approximate. A loose ratio, carrots to aubergines, garlic up to you, tomatoes more or less. Use your favorite spice here. Your favorite herb or none at all. I love this dish. It keeps very well and even nicer next day. Small portion, just 3 medium aubergines and 3 medium carrots. One of those young onions, a very sweet one. These days I tend to cut aubergines in small pieces so to reduce time in the oven and save on energy. So big shallow tray here, no oil, no salting aubergines, just simply chop and stick them to the oven as they are. It's very important to bake aubergines until absolutely soft. I will be checking them a bit later with a knife. So meanwhile, I quickly preparing my carrots and onions. I cook onions first and then I would add carrots. And I would gently cook them until they are well reduced. 2 handfuls of tomatoes here. I would chop them haphazardly and then I would cook them until they are well collapsed. 2 very large cloves of garlic. I will be adding them last moment. The oven is 180 fan, or it could be 190, even 200 will do. So I keep checking the aubergines. If there is a slight resistance even, I will continue cooking them until they are absolutely soft. This is important. And for a good measure, I would cover them with the tea towel, let them cool under the towel so they go even softer. And with the tip of the knife, should be very easy to take the skin off. That means we cooked aubergines properly. Of course, if they're even slightly undercooked, the skin will not go off easy. So I roughly chop them right in a pan. Should be again very quick and easy. Normally I would not add any spice. Today I fancy to add some very mild and flavorsome spice, Khmeli suneli. It's a Georgian mix of herbs and spices. Some salt, of course, then I give it a good mix and I cook it for a few more minutes just for the flavors to blend together. So get my garlic ready with a grater. I would add it literally once I switch off. So I fancy my thing quite garlicky. And of course I check for salt. And that's it. We are done.